What's up, bros? 22-23 Donruss Soccer. Exclusive to these packs are green and pink parallels, but we can also hit some really good inserts such as Kaboom. A traditional Donruss design with white borders, which in my humble opinion makes cards look somewhat cheap. Also, this FIFA logo is really weird on a non-World Cup product. And our first green ice is Lewandowski, definitely not the worst player. And I think this green ices, they're not numbered, but they are more rare inserts than regular green inserts of Fabio Carvalho. I think he was doing really well in championship with Fulham, but is not getting much minutes with Liverpool this season. And Rocky King's green parallel of Michał Sadlik. Yeah, Panini just hires whoever apparently to design these cards, but yeah, it seems that at the end of the pack there are always three Donruss Optic cards, and in the middle of the pack you have shiny cards, women cards present here as well. Frederick Arsnes, a Donruss Hollow, and a green of Declan Rice. Brandon Aronson, Net Marvels. Unfortunately, this is not a rare insert. Something like Kaboom would really warm me up, but can't expect that from Panini. So in this product we have players in both club uniforms and then national team uniforms like Torstvedt in a Norwegian uniform here, and Gio Reyna in the US national team uniform. Bellingham Peach Kings green parallel exclusive to this. Value packs, fat packs, Dick Advocat packs, however you prefer to call them. Haaland in Norwegian uniform. Yeah, having these players in both club and national team uniform allows to have the star players twice. So like Haaland is, for example, on the checklist in the Norwegian uniform, and then in Manchester City uniform, Bruno Fernandes, Optic, Hollow, and Paulinia green parallel. Zero gravity green parallel. This combination of green and pink looks really weird. Kamavinga. Yeah, Kamavinga was a really promising guy. I remember how he played in the Champions League with Rennes, but yeah, somehow I feel that his development somewhat slowed down. Jeremy Pino and El Sharawi. Satiris Alexandropoulos rated Rook. Not familiar with him, unfortunately. Not that many good Rooks in this product. I think Alejandro Garancha is the main one. Haven't gotten him yet, but always hoping to hit him. There might be some other good Rooks. Wow, a Messi Optic Polo, unfortunately huge surface imperfections. So well, Was hoping that Panini would somehow fix this shiny cards surface imperfections, which was so prevalent in their Prism products last year, but nope, pulled Messi and such a big dent on it. Very disappointing. Joao Mario, another Optic Holo parallel, and Griezmann green parallel. Sasha Lukic and Lautaro Martinez Net Marvels green parallel, exclusive to these fat packs, I think. My understanding is that this year these fat packs are the only retail configuration for this product. For past Donruss retail releases, there were also blasters, but I haven't seen them around. William Saliba, rated Rook, Optic Holo. Net Marvels of Benzema and Yachin Adli. Yeah, and in some years fat packs were better, in other years blasters were better. Yeah, but overall it seems that there are no hits in this fat pack boxes. Theoretically there are, but for example, like in basketball or in football, you get an out of per fat pack box. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be the case here. So in terms of value, not much value in these packs. But in terms of opening these packs, this is not the most boring break by comparison to other soccer products. Radamel Falcao green, because there are these Optic inserts, and we actually pull a Garnacho, a Rocky card, Gavi. Then there are a lot of shiny cards, so if you like soccer and would like to just to get a pack with plenty of variety. For example, this Net Marvels insert, like also like looks pretty cool, although it's not rare, and Zero Gravity has certain appeal, although like I find this pink color a little bit weird. And Messi Net Marvels green, not the worst pull. Like I've been pretty lucky with Messi inserts in and parallels in this box, but unfortunately, yeah, this Optic Holo is badly damaged. So yeah, quality control is disastrous. But yeah, surprisingly, most other Optic Holos look pretty sharp. So overall, a somewhat disappointing break. Lewandowski green ice, Messi Net Marvels green parallel, Garnacho rookie card, and then this Messi Optic Holo with a significant surface imperfection.